Hey there lovely people, it's Rudreswar back again with another new video of Transit Pixels. So today in this video I'm going to talk about a very interesting Photoshop feature or function which you might have missed even if you are working on Photoshop since years. So without any more, let's get into it. So today in this video I'm going to talk about a secret button inside Photoshop which can apply unlimited number of filters to your photo or to any number of layers below the adjustment layer which I'm talking about. So you can access the filters by going to the adjustment layers, then gradient, and inside of the gradient editor you just have to change the gradient type from solid to noise and you will get something like this, and you have to decrease the roughness to 0 and it will be converted to a smooth gradient. And now we got a smooth gradient. And for the instant filter you just have to check the art transparency option inside the options panel. I'm doing it only for your reference. Then you have to click on OK and again OK. You can change the blend mode to overlay or soft light according to your preference, and you can also turn the transparency off for a little bit more visible filter. And now you can uncheck the art transparency option. If you want to make the filter a bit more visible, then you just have to click on the randomize button and it will generate unlimited number of random gradients or filters for you. You can also change the colors over here to get the filter according to your desired color. If you just have missed a good color option, then you can always hit Ctrl or Command Z on your keyboard to get back the previous effect. I hope now you got the idea of what you can do with this particular feature of Photoshop. If you liked this video, then make sure to hit that big thumbs up below the video frame and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more new awesome content.